Hey y'all!
I'm painting a fucking duck.
Oh wow, look! It's my friend David. Hi David! Do you have any children that I could murder today with the help of the US government? Specifically Chuck Schumer, who said it would be totally cool if I murdered your children.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make glass into a fine powder and then take it and rub it on your penis. Just put the penis all over, you put the glass on your penis. You rub it in there. And then you put some peroxide on it too, and it fizzes all up after you start bleeding out your penis.
Is it taking over or just clinging on for life? Wonder where your dogs will go when they realize there's no more bombs to find. Stuck back in that welded world with you. Slink around the farmer's house without a shoe.
I'm painting a fucking duck! Y'all ever seen somebody paint a fucking duck before? I love painting ducks. Paint the fucking duck. Hold on. Paint it. Here we go. Paint the duck. Paint the duck. Paint the duck. Here.
Ask your tough questions. Kick me around.